Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an eBay account. Let's go. First, open your browser. Then go to ebay.com. Please click on register. If you want to create a business account, please click here. If you have a Google account, click here. And if you have a Facebook account, click here. Or if you have an Apple ID, click here. Otherwise, please enter your first name. Then enter your last name. In this step, you should enter your email. After that, create your password. Then select Create Account. Please go to your account. There are a lot of options here. For example, if you want to change your data information, please click on Personal Information. If you want to add your address, please click here. Or if you want to add your bank account, please click on Payment Options. And for PayPal account, please click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know.